what you're thinking of.
Hey guys, so today I am back with an original style study with me. I don't think I've filmed a study with me in this style with just clips and a voiceover for, I want to say, over 2 years now. I haven't filmed one since year 13, I think, so sorry if I'm a bit rusty. Hopefully you still actually enjoy these videos. I've had so many requests to do a video like this, and to be fair, it kind of suits my situation at the moment because it's deadline season and it's exam season, so I don't have time to be filming super long, rambly videos. So on this day, it was actually even a Sunday as well. Who remembers my Sunday edition study with me's? God knows why I called them that in hindsight, but I do have a thing for studying on Sundays, it seems. I'm technically not studying in this video, I'm actually working on an assignment. I haven't yet started revising my exams in January, which is a little bit concerning. I will have to get around to that at some point, but in this video I'm working on my end of term assignment for my discovery module, which is climate change, science and impacts. Our assignment was to basically look at this theoretical letter, it was all made up by our lecturer, from a politician called Ronald Klump, which is kind of funny, sounds like Donald Trump, basically saying that climate change is a myth and we have to prove him wrong using evidence and research. So it's a very technical assignment compared to my other modules, but after that I actually had a break and I've been trying to do some skipping lately. I know it seems like a really weird thing, but it's pretty good cardio and it gets me outside. As you can see, I'm not very good at it though. I really can't do more than 8 skips before tripping over the rope, so if you've got any advice then please let me know. But as you can see, I got so red afterwards, and then I just made myself a cup of tea and then cracked back on with it. I was sort of in two minds about filming this video because the studying and the work that I do nowadays compared to the work that I did when I was doing my GCSEs and when I was doing my A-levels is very different. As you can tell, literally everything is on my laptop. I barely write anything at all. I never write my notes anymore. I do everything on my laptop, so I don't know how interesting the time lapses are. I know it seems a lot more interesting when I'm actually writing and using my handwriting and drawing things and making physical resources. So yeah, just let me know. This is kind of why I've been putting off making these kind of videos, because I just didn't think it would be very interesting. We spend so much time at the moment looking at our own laptops that I don't know why you'd then want to watch me look at my laptop. But anyway, I then had lunch and I just made eggs as usual, and then here's just me chopping up some tomatoes and cucumber, and once again made myself another coffee because I'd actually only had about 6 hours sleep that night. So my energy was already running low by this point, and you can see that I start to get tired pretty quickly, but this was just a chill day. Even though my assignment is due in about 4 days time, I was really trying to pace myself with it because I've got such a busy month during January. I've got 3 assignments including this one, and I've got 3 exams that I really don't want to burn myself out too early, so I was trying to take it easy but also be productive at the same time. And I actually got loads done this day. As you can see, I showed my screen a little bit earlier, but I wrote most of the assignment this day. I had been working on it before, doing bits of research and making a plan, so I actually wrote most of it this day, so I was pretty happy with how I did. Here I'm just sat reading it out to myself, by the way. I'm not just sat talking to myself. I find that that really helps actually. If I sit and read it out, I'm more likely to spot errors that I've made. I then went for a walk because I was going a bit stir crazy, just sat at my desk all day, and the sky was really pretty. It doesn't really pick it up on camera very well, but then when I got back I just had a snack, I had some fruit and then did a tea round, and then surprise got on with some more work. By this point, I was actually shattered and just had no energy and really couldn't be arsed, so I only did half an hour. I was getting through things a lot faster than I thought I would, so that's why I only set the timer for half an hour. I was very tempted to call it a day when I got home from my walk, but I thought I've only done 3 hours work here. I know that's kind of a lot actually, but I thought I can manage half an hour more. Half an hour in the grand scheme of things isn't that long a time, but you can actually get a lot done. If you aren't feeling motivated and you aren't feeling productive, then I'd really recommend just trying to do little bits at a time, and you'll honestly be surprised the amount that you can get done in that time. Here I'm just showing you the sheer amount of tabs I have open because it's actually ridiculous. And then I called it a day because, as I said, I just couldn't be bothered to do any more, and I'm trying to pace myself. And then for the rest of the evening, I just chilled out. I had a shower, read my book. I'm reading this at the moment. I would actually really recommend it. I got it for Christmas. And then I just did a few admin bits on Notion. Let me know if you'd like a video on Notion actually. And then in true old Study With Me style, here is a breakdown of everything that I did that day. I don't know if this is remotely interesting to anyone, but if you want to see how I planned my day out, then this is roughly what I did.